Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this makeup look. Of course, I went more on the dark side today because, I just love wearing black. And to be honest, every time I go out, this is like my go-to look. And I'm always getting compliments and I'm always getting like questions on how I achieve this look and what colors I use. So I decided to make a video. So next time I have someone ask me, I'll be like, girl, I have a video on YouTube. You go check that out and you'll learn right quick. But remember, practice makes perfect. So if you're interested in achieving this beautiful look, please keep on watching. So I've already done one eye off camera and now it's time to start with the other one. First, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelid with my Urban Decay primer. And I'm gonna apply this all over my eye. I'm gonna be using only one palette today, and this is the KatVonD Shade Light Eye palette that looks like this. And I'm literally gonna be using only 3 colors here. So the colors that I'm gonna be using are the black, this kind of like reddish brownish color, and I'm gonna be using these 2 browns on the outer corner of the palette. So let's go ahead and get started. Apply it all over my eye. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna be using this kind of like reddish brownish brick color, and I'm gonna be applying that on top of that brown right above my crease. I'm gonna apply that all over the eyelid. For this, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. brush that I bought at Walmart for like $2. Very cheap, affordable. It doesn't have a number, but this is how it looks. As you guys can see, we have the brown, and then we have kind of like a cut crease black. We're gonna go ahead and use a color that's gonna blend the black into the brown. So that means we need to use like a brown, kind of like a dark brown, but going more into like the color on top. Blending is all about mixing colors. It's all about going from dark to light or from light to dark. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this brown right next to the one we had used at the beginning, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on my crease. Gonna go in with that black again just to bring it out a little bit more. Okay, so once we have that, we're gonna go ahead and apply some eyeshadow on our bottom lid, and I'm gonna be using that same brush that I was using for the black. Just clean it up a little. Now I'm gonna go back with my blending brush, and I'm gonna be getting this brick color here just to blend the dark line that I have right under my eyelid. That I have right under my bottom lash line. Okay, now it's time to apply my falsies. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Once that is done, we're gonna go ahead and highlight the inner part of our eye. And I will be using the Morphe palette number 35OS. I will be applying a dark shadow on my waterline, and I will be using the black color from the KatVonD eyeshadow palette. Okay, now I'm gonna be concealing the bottom part of my eye. I did buy this recently and I didn't even check the color. It's too white for me, but I still make it work. I'll be blending it with my spongy. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some eyeliner. Okay, so we're done with our eyeshadow. Now we're gonna go jump into contouring. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more setting powder down here. So pretty. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm freaking glowing right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any requests, if you guys have any comments, you can leave that on the comments below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Any other questions, you guys can message me on Twitter. You guys can message me on Snapchat. You guys can DM me on Instagram, and I will be having all those linked below. So feel free to follow, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.